Hello, hi, welcome to Success Automation. This is the new series with Playwright. Playwright is a new framework which is very flexible, which have a lot of features. So telling the uh, before talking about the Playwright, what are the prerequisites? So first we need to install the Node.js and you need to install the Visual Studio. These are the two things. After that, you need to set the class path. These are the three things you need to do before you running any script of Playwright. So quickly I'll move to which are the first thing is you need to install the Node.js first. Before installing Node.js, do not install the Visual Studio. It will give error. So whenever you want to install the Node.js, so you go to this site Node.js node.js.org.eng.download. I'll put it here. This URL node.js URL. So you have to go here and you need to click the installer. So if you are using Windows, just click Windows. Mac, you need to install Mac. So just click this. Once you click this, you will get a download here. You click this one, you go here. I have already downloaded. So I'll go to the download folder. Once it is downloaded, it will be like this. So I already downloaded Node.js 2010.0. So it will come like this. Just double click this one and it will start installing your Node.js. Just do nest. That is the first thing you need to do. After that, most of the people they forgot to set the class path. So setting class path also very important, this one. I'll put this as a second step. Class Setting the class path in the local machine is nothing but you have installed the Node.js in the C. If you install, you can only work in the C folder. Instead of that, if you set the class path in the environment variable, that will be visible in all the folders. How many folders you have? For example, I have so many folders. If you see here, I have C, D, E, F, blah, 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 blah. In all these folders, the Node.js will be visible. So how to do this? Just in the search env, enter and go to environment and go to path and click edit. So I have installed the Node.js here. So you need to put this one. Okay. If you don't put this one, you cannot see the Node.js in all the environment. So this is one thing. So generally it will be in the C folder. So just I'll copy this C program file, not file. I'll go that folder. Node.js. See if it is there here. Okay. And you need to put this one. After that, there is another one is npm. So npm to run any command on the playwright, you need to install the npm. That is also very important. So I'll go to install npm. You can install the npm, and that npm path also you need to set here. So here I think down in install address npm. npm will be separate. Um, 1 minute. Yeah, program files environment. You go here in the system, edit, Imtiaz app npm. If you install the npm, it will be here in this folder. Just copy this one. You need to install the npm also. Otherwise, um, you cannot use the npm command. Let's put this one. What is this going somewhere? No, it not copy properly. So you need to go to that path and set the class path here. npm class set class path. env path edit and this one. Okay. C user Imtiaz app data roaming. C users Imtiaz app data. Imtiaz app data. There will be folder. I don't know why it is not showing. So you can find that in the Google. You can set the class path of the npm. So how you come to know whether npm is installed properly or not? That is important. Just go search box, click cmd. Okay, and just put node version npm, sorry, npm. So once it is installed, it will give the whether the npm install or not. If the npm is not installed, then the command is not recognized, like that will be. So now we verified that npm is installed. After that, you need to check the node.js version. Node.js node version, I think. Node.js, 1 minute. So it's showing here node version. So it should show like this. Node hyphen hyphen version. Okay, I put here, I put only one hyphen, that's the reason. Oh, no. So you need to put the two hyphen then. So once these two things are there, npm and Node.js is installed, then your machine is ready to use the Visual Studio. So if you want to install the Visual Studio, go to Visual, just this URL. I'll put here in the notepad, VS Code URL. So you can take this and install the, just click on this installer, this one. It will download in your machine. So it will download like this one like this, or this one. It will be like this. If you install, if you download two times, it will come like this. So this is the Visual Studio. So once you double click and start, it will open your Visual Studio. So that is the first thing you need to do. After that, we'll see how to create the first playwright project in the Visual Studio. So that we'll see in the next session. Hope you understand this. I will be continuing this session with all the API of the playwright with JavaScript, and finally I will create one framework. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.